Forítajé. Forítajé is located in the western part of Iwoland, administratively under the Iwo West LCDA of Osun State, Nigeria. According to oral tradition from the Agbódówú Palace, ancestors of Forítajé migrated from Laoye ruling house in Ede in the present Osun State. These migrants were a family of 5 brothers with their respective kith and kin. Centuries ago, Forítajé ancestors on their voyage settled first at Iwo before the final sojourn to the present location. Forebears of Forítajé ruled the land as Baales, with 5 ruling houses. At a time in history, Baale Forítajé was the chairman of Baales in Iwoland under the paramount ruler of Iwoland, the Imperial Majesty Amoo of Iwoland. Noble Prince Amoo Oyeniyi Adegboyega succeeded the last Baale Forítajé and was crowned as a king by the paramount ruler of Iwoland as approved by Osun State Government of Nigeria. The kingdom of Forítajé adopted the title Agbódówú ipso facto His Royal Majesty Ọba Amoo Oyeniyi Adegboyega II Agbódówú Forítajé became the pioneering king of Forítajé. Ladies and gentlemen, join me as I felicitate Forítajé Kingdom on the anniversary of birth of that noble prince and clergyman, a destined symbol of royalty, a well-educated and amiable king, His Royal Majesty Ọba Amoo Oyeniyi Adegboyega II Agbódówú of Forítajé. Alayeluwa. Congratulations on your birthday. May God continue to bless you and grant you long, healthy, and prosperous lifetime. May your reign continue to herald monumental development of Forítajé Kingdom, Iwoland, Yorubaland, and the entire African continent. Kábíyèsí Ọba Amoo Oyeniyi Adegboyega II Agbódówú ti ìlú Forítajé, ṣe bẹ́yìn lọ́mọ mọ̀pọ̀ àìrógun ìyákun àgbò, ọmọ ajílálà ọ̀ṣọ́, ọmọ ajífọjọ́ gbogbo dá bí egbin, ìran bàbá yín la arúngbàdo làlú, ọmọ arún gúgúrú wọlé ẹdẹ, ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ ẹ̀yìn pọ́n bí òpọ́n, ó di dandan kí bàbá yín ó répo jẹ, ọmọ ilépo rẹ́dẹ́rẹ́dẹ́ ọmọ arẹwà dúdú, ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ aróhánrán ọmọ àjẹ́ńjù, ọmọ àgbàlé alápò tíẹ̀mí arógun mọ́sá arógun má fi ti bọ́n ṣe, ẹ̀yin ló máa ṣíjọ àpòpìrí dágbà ọfà àṣọ fún ọmọ ọ̀pọ̀ fún yọ̀yọ̀ dágbà ọfà sílẹ̀. Kábíyèsí Amoo Oyeniyi Adegboyega II Agbódówú ti Forítajé nídìí ìyá tó bí yín lọ́mọ ẹ̀yin lolú òjé ọmọ afọ̀bẹ́kẹ́ jagun ẹ̀kọ́rọ́, ìhòhò lolú òjé ń jagun gbáàní, ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ làmọ́ṣẹ́ ọmọ àpèwà àjòyè, ọmọ olómi tútù ìdí gbìngbìn, awẹ́dẹ́ olómi tútù ẹsẹ̀ òkè, ọmọ arọ́tíwẹ̀ bí òjò. Your Royal Majesty Ọba Amoo Oyeniyi Adegboyega II Agbódówú of Forítajé. Have a lovely, fantastic and joyous birthday celebration.
Kẹ́sìn ọba jẹ́ kó pẹ́. Yèyé Ọ̀túnba Forítajé wishes you long life and prosperity.